Hi everyone, Mr. Thompson here. What we're going to be looking at today is combining ratios, and again I'm going to use pictures. So two types of question. Here's our first one. There are some pens and a pencil case. The ratio of red to blue is 3 to 4. The ratio of blue to green is 3 to 1. And the question asks us to work out the ratio of red to blue to green. So at the end I should end up with red to blue to green, a 3-part ratio. So this is where we're combining two individual ratios, separate ones, and making just one whole one. Okay, so what we're going to do to start is we're actually going to imagine the pencil case. We're going to imagine that we have some pens in the pencil case. We don't know how many, so we're going to use blocks to represent them, or boxes, or circles if you prefer. I've coloured them in, but you might want to just write the letters inside them, so R, B and G. The ratio of red to blue is 3 to 4 is the first part it says, so that's the first thing we're going to set up, 3 to 4. Okay, we've done that there. And the next part of the question says the ratio of blue to green is 3 to 1. Now reading that literally means that for every 3 blues we've got 1 green. So if I can just take a look here real quick at just 3 blues, well, there's 3, not very neatly drawn, but there's 3, and for those 3 I'm only going to get 1 green. So it doesn't look like if I had this number of pens I would have enough. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add more reds and blues to see what happens. Now I can't just add 1 red because I've no longer got the ratio of 3 to 4. So what I have to do is just add an entire row. And this is the advantage of doing things in rows, is that you end up with things really easy to produce the same ratio again. So we've still got red to blue in the ratio 3 to 4. It's just 6 to 8, which we know is just double 3 to 4. So it's the same ratio. For every 3 reds there are 4 blues. For every 3 reds there are 4 blues. Now I can do my little trick again. For the blue to green I'm going to have another 3, so I can have another green. But I've still not got enough. Just added another row of red there and another row of blue, and hopefully you can see now that I'm going to have another 3 blue, so I can have 1 more green. But I've also got one final set of 3 blue, giving me 1 final green. So my final ratio is 9 red pens, or red boxes in this case. I've got 12 blue and 4 green. So the final answer is just going to be 9 to 12 to 4.